Hi, welcome to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. You are watching Vaishnaoi Southwoods ultra luxury gated community villa project. This is model villa east facing 5 BHK ultra luxury villa. You are watching 20 feet main entrance tall door. This is first time in Hyderabad Vaishnaoi builders are giving luxury grand entrance. Now you are watching setbacks of the villa. This is front side deck, elevation of the villa. This is approved by HMDA, RERA. This project spread across 43.5 acres, 261 villas, 4 and 5 BHK villas, starting range 300 to 550 square yards, 40,000 square feet clubhouse. This is drawing area. You have one more deck this side, lift provision, model villa they all installed lift. This is the second deck. You have setback of the villa. Back side you have maid room and separate maid toilet. This is the back side setback. This is the maid room and separate maid toilet. And also floor to ceiling height 11 feet, 20 feet tall entrance height, main door, 8 feet wide entrance road. This is living area with the TV point, dining, and dry kitchen, wet kitchen you have with storage room. This is the wet kitchen plus utility. You have 300 square yards, 350 square yards, 477 square yards, 500 square yards, and 550 square yards. This is front side setback area, elevation of the villa. If you see build up area square yards wise, 300 square yards villa east facing 4,259 square feet, 300 square yards west facing villa 4,033 square feet. Next size 350 square yards east facing villa 577 square feet, 350 square yards west facing villa 5,124 square feet, 477 square feet east facing villa, sorry, 477 square yards east facing villa build up area 6,779 square feet, 477 west facing villa 6,600 square feet, 500 square yards east facing villa 6,815 square feet, 500 square yards west facing 6,909 SFT, 550 square yards east facing villa 556 square feet. 550 square yards west facing villa, 7,773 square feet. Parents' bedroom, washroom, plus partition also done. Dressing area. This is the parents' bedroom in the ground floor. Now going to first floor. If you see prices, starting range 5 crore 75 lakhs to 10 crore 25 lakhs. Negotiable price. Per SFT base cost 13,500 rupees. That is negotiable. You are watching master bedroom on first floor. Master bedroom has two windows, very big windows, very good natural ample lighting ventilation. This is the dressing area and attached washroom. Huge space, very big master bedroom. And also this project close to all international schools like GMR, DPS and Aga Khan Academy, Sri Academy and Manchester Global School. There are many schools close by this project. First floor, second bedroom with attached washroom and dressing area. And also it is very close to the Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills via Shemshabad PVNR Express Highway, which connects to the Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills, Gachibowli. It is very close to malls, hospitals, and your daily needs. Well connectivity. This is third bedroom with attached washroom. Terrace, you have home theater and one more bedroom. And also you have L-shaped open terrace and sit out also. If you are interested, please contact us on display number for more details to schedule your site visit, brochure, puja room. You have one more balcony here and location, price details. Contact us. We will share through WhatsApp. Price will be changing anytime because depends market conditions. Builder will be increasing price. So before you are coming, please call us. It is helpful to you. And also, if you are watching first time JD Vishnu YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. This is living area. This is another bedroom, fourth bedroom. Sorry, this is fifth bedroom with attached washroom plus dressing area. Plus home theater. And also we are dealing West Hyderabad and South Hyderabad, all reputed builders, ultra luxury gated community villas and apartments. If you are really interested, please contact us to know more details. If you want to sell a property, please let us know. We will help to sell your property. If you want to purchase in West Hyderabad, let us know your requirement. We will help to you for your dream home. Thank you. This is wash area and terrace. Very beautiful villa, prime location, close to Hyderabad International Airport. And also you are watching construction progress of the villas at the site. This project handover by 2027 December. Really, if you are interested, please contact us to schedule your site visit. Please subscribe, click on bell button. You will get notification future videos. Thank you. Bye.